Is your Shopify store easy to use on a phone? With most traffic coming from mobile, a bad experience means lost sales. I'll show you how to optimize it. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. A mobile optimized store is no longer optional, it's essential. First, always use a mobile responsive theme. Shopify's default themes, like Dawn, are excellent for this. Test every part of your store on your own phone, especially the menu, product pages, and checkout. Simplify your mobile menu. Use a clean, hamburger menu and prioritize the most important links to avoid clutter. A crucial pro tip: optimize your images and page speed for mobile. Mobile users are often on slower connections. Compressed images and a lean, fast theme are even more critical here than on desktop. A 1-second delay can kill your mobile conversion rate. And just like that, you can capture the massive audience shopping on their phones. A great mobile experience is your key to modern e-commerce success. When was the last time you browsed your own store on a mobile device? This was our 100th guide. To celebrate, I want to hear from you. What topics should we cover next? Leave your suggestions in the comments and subscribe so you don't miss a single video. Thanks for watching.